Hello. So here today we are learning some different texture trees. Okay. So mostly whenever we draw trees, we in the memory, in scenery, we do used to do same type of. So here should be uh, you should have knowledge about different type of trees which you can use easily in your scenery or in your memory drawing. Okay, so different textural tree means if you observe trees, there is not only one type of shapes are also different. So something different like this we are going to learn here. I'll show you. So let's start. What we require for this? Only colors, any type of colors. Even with crayon you can do these different type of trees, but I'm showing you today in the watercolor. Okay, so different type of trees. Here I have some examples. See, even trees colors you will see not only in green, you will see in purple, in red and orange shades. So see, this first one tree you will see this is little purplish shades, right? So particular way when you use brushes you get this texture. Okay, see this tree, different texture is done and different shapes also, right? Here you will observe, here also you will get something different texture and different shape of tree, right? So this way you can try different trees and make your greeting card or scenery or even in memory. You can add any this type of tree. Okay, so let's start. Here I am using one greeting size paper so that I can stick it, I can use it as a greeting card. If I'll stick it on the color chart paper, I'll get one nice greeting card. So I am using this size of paper. Whatever is size you have or any color if you have, you can use it. Okay, so let's start. So students, here you will not use pencil drawing. Directly with brush you have to draw it. Means just imagine what type of texture and shape you are going to create and then start your work. Now here I am using green tree. Okay, what I'll do, or you can do one thing, texture which, see, right? If I'll use like this, I'll show you like this, I'll get different texture, right? But I'm using this technique now, all over I have to use the same. Okay, I got one shape. Now here, if you want, you can fill background first and color this texture, or you can start with if it is colored paper, you can start directly. Now take one small number of brush and brown color and draw its branches. See, branches now you have to draw. I will show you its technique. Thick to thin means from down your brush will go like this, you will get thin. Okay, so this way you have to complete your branches. I'll complete this. Okay, now I will change color. I'll add little blue or little black in brown. I'll get dark color. So for shading it's required. Now one side I will make it dark. If you want texture on that, then you can apply this way. Shading of dark color. And if you observe that branches always you will get thin upside, right? So always draw thick to thin. If you want, you can hold your paper like this. You'll get easy strokes. Now I will make some details. Trunk should be more thick, so I'll add darker. Right? If you want more dark green, then add little blue in your green and make dark, and same texture you can do below with pointed brush. See, I'm doing it with pointed brush and merge it. If you want more lighter, then take yellow, and same way with this color you will do yellow up. Okay, like this nice tree you will get. Okay, after this now crown. That's very important. Don't leave your picture like this. Complete it properly. Light brown or yellow ochre you can give. Wash here. If you want wash in the sky, that even you can. It's now up to you how you want to complete your picture. Okay, main technique when you get, if you want upside, I'll put light, spread this. This is called wash, which you use for memory also. Little light green also I'll put in the background, because backside there is greenery, so I'll put little green, light green wash. Somewhere blue also. Okay, so this way your wash is ready, and now it will look completed work. It's a wash, so whatever colors are in surrounding, light you can. Okay, so this is your wash, and now more details if you want to do, you can. After on the wet paper You are getting natural effect. After dry these strokes, you can do, see, while doing you are getting even perspective. Or after dry you will do these details. It's up to you. So the same tree you can do in different color also, as I showed you before, with red and orange, okay, purple. Try like this different trees. Okay students, so do it with minimum material.